Yo, what's up, Bitcoin Bulletin fam? Get ready for a lightning round of crypto news that's gonna blow your mind. First up, Bitcoin is back in that intense $104K to $114K range, and the pressure is on. Traders are caught between fear and greed, and the psychological impact is huge. We're talking about how this tight market is messing with your head and what those key price levels really mean for the next big move. Then, we're diving deep into the absolute hottest new cryptos making massive waves in the market right now. Get ready to hear about Bitcoin Hyper's explosive presale, the incredible rally of MYX Finance after a major award, and why Solana just blasted past $220, signaling a huge comeback. These are the projects showing serious strength and where investor demand is heading. And if you're into traditional markets, we've got the essential breakdown of the top Bitcoin stocks you need to have on your watch list today. We're talking about IREN, Eightco, Marathon Digital, Riot Platforms, and TeraWulf, the companies directly tied to Bitcoin's performance. Discover which ones are making the biggest moves and why analysts are watching them closely. These are the stories you can't afford to miss. You don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're always in the loop with Bitcoin Bulletin. Bitcoin is trapped, and traders are feeling the heat. Bitcoin has circled back into the $104K to $114K price corridor, putting traders right back into a psychological battleground of fear and greed. This tight range is forcing tough decisions and sparking intense market reactions. When Bitcoin consolidates in such a narrow band, it often triggers a sense of urgency and missed opportunity among traders. This psychological pressure can lead to impulsive actions, like selling too early or overtrading, as individuals try to navigate the perceived lack of momentum. The key here is perception. How traders interpret the current market state directly influences their behavior. Levels of fear, greed, and hope tend to spike around these critical price points. For instance, the recent dip from $114K to $104K likely triggered panic selling for some, while others might be chasing fleeting short-term gains, only to be caught off guard by subsequent price swings. Many retail traders fail to recognize that these consolidation phases are often precisely when institutional players are strategically positioning themselves for the next major upward movement. Understanding this dynamic can be a game changer. Currently, Bitcoin is locked between the resistance at $114K and the support at $104K. A decisive break above $114K would signal the start of another bullish phase, while a drop below $104K could indicate a period of market cooling. These levels are paramount. Historical data shows that such consolidation often follows euphoric rallies, preceding either an extended cooldown or a fresh surge. While historical patterns are valuable, the market landscape is evolving. The increasing involvement of institutions and the emergence of new trends like crypto payroll and widespread stablecoin adoption are reshaping the game. The growing trend of companies paying employees in cryptocurrency could significantly boost demand for Bitcoin, ushering in a new compensation era. Stablecoins, pegged to fiat currencies, offer businesses a stable, predictable payment method, mitigating the volatility that has historically challenged crypto adoption. This expansion of the crypto ecosystem, facilitated by stablecoins, can occur without causing drastic Bitcoin price fluctuations. With Bitcoin hovering between $104K and $114K, we stand at a critical juncture. A strong confirmation above $114K would indicate sustained demand and potential for further price appreciation, whereas a fall below $104K would confirm a cooling-off period. Staying sharp and adaptable, while understanding the psychological pressures and emerging market trends, will be crucial for navigating this volatility. Don't go anywhere, because what's happening with Bitcoin Hyper's presale is absolutely mind-blowing. Next up, we're diving into the exciting world of MYX Finance and Solana's incredible surge past $220. Best crypto to buy right now, these three are exploding. While Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are playing it cool, other altcoins are showing incredible momentum, signaling where investor demand is strongest and potentially setting the stage for the next big market surge. With bullish factors like anticipated interest rate cuts and sustained institutional interest, the crypto market is poised for another upward swing, making projects currently demonstrating strength even more exciting. Our focus today is on three standout performers: Bitcoin Hyper, MYX Finance, and Solana. First up, Bitcoin Hyper, a groundbreaking ZK rollup-based Bitcoin Layer 2 blockchain. Its mission is to overcome Bitcoin's limitations of slow transaction speeds and restricted functionality by implementing a new layer utilizing the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM. This innovation aims to process thousands of transactions per second and fully support smart contracts. While Bitcoin's primary role is as a store of value, Bitcoin Hyper seeks to unlock vast new use cases, including DeFi, payments, meme coins, gaming, and tokenizing real-world assets, RWAs. By settling on Bitcoin, the most secure blockchain, it's positioned to directly challenge Ethereum and attract a massive user base. The narrative surrounding Bitcoin Hyper is generating immense buzz. Its presale has already soared past an astonishing $14.8 million, with daily growth nearing $200,000. Notably, whales are actively participating, with a significant $16K investment reported recently. Given its early stage, explosive momentum, and innovative utility, Bitcoin Hyper is emerging as a top contender for the best crypto investment right now. Next, we have MYX Finance, a perpetual futures exchange on the BSC blockchain celebrated for its deep liquidity, minimal fees, and advanced trading features like slippage-free execution and multi-asset collateral. MYX Finance has seen a dramatic surge this week, amplified by winning the Volume Powerhouse Award at the 2025 BNB Chain Awards. Adding to the excitement, the team announced the upcoming listing of World Liberty Financial's WLFI token for futures trading, offering up to 50x leverage. These twin catalysts have ignited significant trader interest, generated headlines, and propelled the project to market-leading gains. Currently trading at $18.34, MYX Finance is up 10% today and an astounding 1,455% this week, boasting a market capitalization of $3.4 billion, placing it within the top 50 cryptocurrencies. Such momentum strongly suggests MYX could be one of the cycle's top performers. Finally, let's talk about Solana. Over the past week, Solana has significantly outperformed other major cryptocurrencies, driven by major ecosystem developments. Galaxy Digital, a Nasdaq-listed company, made headlines by tokenizing its SEC-registered Class A shares on Solana, underscoring Solana's increasing integration with traditional finance, TradFi. Furthermore, Sol Strategies became the first Solana treasury firm to list on the Nasdaq on September 9th, a move anticipated to enhance the firm's liquidity and potentially drive greater demand for Sol. Solana has successfully transitioned from a blockchain primarily known for its meme coin ecosystem to a preferred platform for institutional players entering the blockchain space. Its combination of low fees, high transaction speeds, and diverse applications has been instrumental in this shift. The emergence of projects like Bitcoin Hyper, which leverages Solana's infrastructure for its Bitcoin Layer 2 solution, further highlights Solana's robust capabilities and its potential to solidify its position as an industry-leading blockchain. Consequently, the SOL price has surged, recently hitting $220 for the first time since January, indicating a powerful return to bullish momentum after an extended sideways trend and suggesting further upside potential. Stick around, because we're about to reveal the Bitcoin stocks that Wall Street analysts are quietly recommending. Next up, we're talking about IREN, Eightco, and more top picks for your watch list. Forget just holding Bitcoin, these stocks are your direct line to crypto gains. For traditional investors looking to tap into the Bitcoin boom without directly holding crypto, Bitcoin stocks offer a powerful alternative, providing indirect exposure to market value and industry trends through familiar equity markets. Today, our stock screener has identified 5 key Bitcoin stocks poised for attention: IREN, Eightco, Marathon Digital, Riot Platforms, and TeraWulf. These companies are at the forefront of the Bitcoin ecosystem, involved in mining, exchange operations, or hardware manufacturing. Their performance is intrinsically linked to Bitcoin's market movements and the broader cryptocurrency landscape, making them crucial for investors seeking to capitalize on the sector's growth within traditional regulatory frameworks. These specific stocks have demonstrated the highest dollar trading volumes in recent days, indicating significant market interest and liquidity. Let's break them down. IREN Limited, formerly Iris Energy, operates Bitcoin mining data centers and was established in 2018, headquartered in Sydney, Australia. Eightco Holdings Inc. provides crucial inventory management and custom packaging solutions across North America and Europe, but notably also offers Bitcoin mining equipment and colocation services, having previously been known as Cryptide Inc. Marathon Digital Holdings is a significant player in the Bitcoin mining sector, operating across mining, data center hosting, and engineering services. Riot Platforms Inc., alongside its subsidiaries, is another major North American Bitcoin mining company, offering colocation services and critical infrastructure support for institutional miners, as well as operating data centers and managing computing capacity. Finally, TeraWulf Inc. is also deeply involved in Bitcoin mining operations, contributing to the network's security and growth. While these stocks offer compelling opportunities, it's crucial to note that top-rated Wall Street analysts have identified specific undervalued gems. Bitcoin Bulletin has uncovered 5 stocks that leading analysts are quietly recommending to their clients right now, stocks that are potentially better buys than some of the more widely discussed names. These are the opportunities that could provide exceptional returns before the broader market catches on. Stay tuned, because we've got another crucial list of Bitcoin stocks to watch for tomorrow. Next, we're revealing the top picks for September 8th, featuring Eightco, Marathon Digital, and more. Don't miss out, these Bitcoin stocks are heating up the market today. For investors looking for exposure to the booming cryptocurrency sector through traditional equity markets, a curated list of Bitcoin stocks provides a strategic entry point, linking company performance directly to Bitcoin's trajectory. Our Bitcoin Bulletin stock screener has pinpointed 5 essential Bitcoin stocks to monitor today: Eightco, Marathon Digital, IREN, Riot Platforms, and TeraWulf. These companies are deeply integrated into the Bitcoin ecosystem, whether through mining operations, hardware manufacturing, or providing essential blockchain services. By investing in these equities, shareholders gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin's price fluctuations and the overall growth of the digital asset industry, all within the familiar structure of stock markets. The companies listed have recently recorded the highest dollar trading volumes among Bitcoin stocks, signaling strong investor activity and market relevance. Let's take a closer look. Eightco Holdings Inc. offers inventory management and custom packaging solutions in North America and Europe, while also reselling Bitcoin mining equipment and providing colocation services. It was formerly known as Cryptide Inc. Marathon Digital Holdings is a prominent Bitcoin mining company with operations spanning mining, data center hosting, and engineering services. IREN Limited, previously Iris Energy, operates Bitcoin mining data centers and is based in Sydney, Australia. Riot Platforms Inc., along with its subsidiaries, is a major player in North American Bitcoin mining, offering colocation and infrastructure services for institutional miners, alongside data center operations and computing capacity management. TeraWulf Inc. is also actively engaged in Bitcoin mining, contributing to the network's decentralized infrastructure. However, it's vital to understand that while these are strong contenders, top analysts are uncovering even more compelling opportunities. Bitcoin Bulletin has identified 5 specific stocks that leading Wall Street analysts are reportedly advising their clients to buy before the market fully recognizes their potential. These are the under-the-radar plays that could offer significant upside. Get ready for tomorrow's stock picks, because the market never sleeps. Next, we're covering the top Bitcoin stocks to watch for September 9th, including IREN, Eightco, and more. All right, Bitcoin Bulletin fam, that's a wrap on today's explosive crypto news. We saw Bitcoin battling in that $104K to $114K range, igniting major trader psychology. We dove into the hottest cryptos like Bitcoin Hyper, MYX Finance, and a soaring Solana, and broke down the essential Bitcoin stocks like IREN and Marathon Digital you need on your radar. Don't miss out on any of the action. Smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto insights, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social media platforms for real-time news. Stay informed, stay ahead.